What's up, you guys? Welcome to the I-Khanic Show. It's your host, and I'm Khan. Well, it's true, guys. I actually did delete Robinhood, the app, a few days ago, and I left the country, and I'm currently chilling out here in Aruba by the crystal clear waters, white sand beaches, and far away from the snow. If this is your first time watching my video, then just know I'm some random guy on YouTube who managed to grow his Robinhood account from 40K to over 100K in just a few months. Well, this is until the crash of last week. And since then, I deleted Robinhood and left the country for one reason only, and that reason is mental health. One of the most important aspects in stock trading is mental health, and I feel like not many people talk about it. I definitely have not seen that many videos about it. So I figured, why not go over it in this video and go over my mental health routine whenever I want to clear my mind and refocus. So why is mental health important? I've mentioned this in previous videos as well. Too many people attach their emotions to their trading, and that is not good. The ability to detach your emotions from your trading is what separates the successful traders from the bag-holding unsuccessful traders. Too many folks get too emotional and too egotistical about their trades, and it ends up burning their account. Not good. So I'm going to give you guys 3 tips on what I do to refresh and refocus my mind. And again, you guys don't have to go to Aruba like I did. I was kind of being extra. I figured it would make a catchier video. So tip number 1, I delete Robinhood and or any social media app that I feel like I'm using too much. I personally don't like being hooked onto any app. And if I feel like I'm using it too much, I delete it off my phone because I want to know that I have the power to put down my phone whenever I want to. In today's day of basically cell phone and social media addiction, this ability is becoming more and more scarce. People are not present, they're just so into their phones, and it's just not healthy. The aspect of instant gratification and not being able to control yourself, your emotions, like when you want to go on social media, that ability of not being able to do that is what prevents you from being a successful trader, because trading is a marathon. It's not a sprint. So the same brain that you're using to instantly gratify yourself is not going to be able to delay gratification when you're trading. Does that make sense? I got that from Chamat, my boy Chamat. Tip number 2 is I don't read any articles related to stocks. I try my best to read none. And this might not be a good thing. I don't know. It might prevent me from making money. It might make me lose money. Whatever the case, I think about stocks too much, generally speaking. And during this time, like a week or something, I like to tone it down a bit. And I mean, it's not bad that you're thinking about stocks all the time. That is one of the things that helps you make money and get ahead. But at the same time, you need to learn to tone it down when you need to so you can refocus. And tip number 3 is probably the most important one, and I love this tip. It's basically remind yourself of why you started to trade stocks. So many of us get so caught up and addicted to Robinhood or just trading stocks in general and that emotional roller coaster that we forget the original reason of why we started in the first place. Now, I'm sure most of us, I mean, if not all of us, do it for the money. But what's the end goal here? If it's money and you get it, that's not enough to make you happy. You need to understand that. What's your end goal? What do you plan on doing with the money? That's the stuff that you need to think about, and that's different for everyone. Put things into perspective. Money is just a tool. Everyone watching this video has an end goal, and if you don't, I repeat myself, you should, because money in and of itself will not make you happy. And in that note, let me know what your end goals are. I'd love to hear about it in the comment section. I do go through all of the comments. I love them. I try to respond to as many as I can as well. With that being said, guys, don't forget to get your 2 free stocks on Webull just for signing up and depositing $100. Guys, it's literally free money. The other day I got GE, which is worth like 16 bucks. Also, I recently started a Patreon page. On this page, everyone can find out what stocks I buy and sell. Whenever I do so, I notify everyone. I think it's definitely very affordable, so go check that out. Also, follow me on Instagram, The I-Khanic Show. If you want to know what kind of camera equipment I'm using, that's also in the link below. Go follow them. And also, I mentioned this before, I'm trying to get monetized. I need to increase my watch time. So if you guys don't mind just binge watching all of my videos, I would really appreciate it. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel if you're new here. With that being said, guys, aim high, don't be shy, and thanks for watching The I-Khanic Show.